Should you guys prepare for a crypto crash? Well, guys, make sure to stick around if you want to find out if there is any signs of a crypto crash near. With that said, this is DC Trading. Today, make sure to subscribe and absolutely turn on the post notifications if you want to keep updated with all cryptocurrencies along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the breaking news of Tesla selling $936 million. If we look at quarter two reports for Tesla and we look at the statement of cash flows, it is clear. Bitcoin sold $936 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, the big question is, should we be worried about Bitcoin crashing with the news of Tesla selling $936 million? Well, guys, to be honest, you guys should not be worried about Bitcoin crashing or the crypto market crashing because it was revealed that they sold Bitcoin a long time ago, way before it tanked to 20,000. This is already the past quarter two. Quarter two was a few months ago, and they did report that they did sell it around 29,000, and that is why we saw, Bitcoin tanking to even lower lows earlier this year. So, yes, guys, you shouldn't be worried because the past already happened. They were just reporting it, and the reports came out today. But Elon Musk did say, yes, we did, sell Bitcoin, but we are not, excluding Bitcoin in the future. So they're saying basically that, yes, they did sell Bitcoin, but they're not opposed to, reinvesting into Bitcoin in the near future. So this tells me one of two things, that he's telling the truth. The reason why he sold is because of the, the stuff going on in China, the lockdown, the uncertainties over there. That's one thing. The second thing is, that could be partially true, or it can be both, but the second thing is he does expect Bitcoin to drop even lower, and he's waiting to get in on a good position. So yes, we have to be worried. This might be a warning, Elon Musk is giving us that, yes, crypto is good, Bitcoin is good, but there may be a, big crash in the near future. And he's waiting to cash in at the right time. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. But yes, in 2021 of February, they did purchase 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. They did sell 936 million because of the fears of, what's going on in China, the uncertainties. So, but they're not opposed to, buying Bitcoin in the near future. So, yes, guys, we shouldn't be worried about that with the news occurring. But we should be, if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, we should be worried in the next 3 days. We must keep above the $22,600 price range. We must close above this range if we want to consider Bitcoin bullish still. Will not be considered bullish, but heading toward a bullish run. So first, we must on the weekly time frame close above $22,600 price range. As you guys can see with the news of Bitcoin, the psychology of it, it did bring the price down, but it bounced perfectly off this resistance. So that's a good sign for Bitcoin. The next step for Bitcoin is, to stay above and close the weekly time frame. As you guys can see, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, if we take a look, if we close above here, that is a good sign for Bitcoin, BTC, and all of cryptocurrencies. So we must keep above this ascending channel in order to be considered in the right direction for Bitcoin. So make sure to keep an eye out for that. If we look right now, we are, the top of the Bollinger Band, almost the top of the Bollinger Band. We're stuck right here. We're going to see if the bulls can push Bitcoin even higher. As you guys can see, previously, like a day ago, it was as high as 24,000. Can we reach that before the end of Sunday? Well, that's a good question. Now, if you look at Ethereum, Ethereum too is pushing up. As you guys can see, it did recover very well. It was around the 1400, as I said. It was going to be in the next few days. It was going to cool off, and then we were going to see Ethereum head back up. As you guys can see, what is currently going on, we touched the top of the Bollinger Band. We got rejected here. Can we look for another volatile move to the upside? I think it's very possible. We're not far away from 1800, guys. So, should you guys prepare right now for a crypto crash? Guys, we have a couple of days until the 26th, which is the Fed meeting, which can bring down the price of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So yes, we should be aware that there might be a crypto crash in the near future. But for right now, there is a chance we can hit the 1800 before the crash, along with a 28,000 before a crash, which my best advice for you, which I'm not a financial advisor, is to get in. If you got in on a trade for Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever, and you're already in profits, right now is a good time to take your profits and wait for the prices to come down, because I do believe the prices of these crypto coins will go down in the near future, possibly in the end of July, the start of August, maybe in September. We don't know. But my best advice for you right now is, if you're in profits right now, just take your profits, wait for another dip, crypto crash, Bitcoin crash, Ethereum crash, and then get in on a good position. So yes, prepare right now, because there can be a crypto crash happening. But with the news of Tesla, selling Bitcoin, don't be worried right now for a crash, because this does not affect the price of Bitcoin, because they already sold this a long time ago. With that said, this is DC Trading. I hope you learned something. If you want to stay updated with the latest crypto news, cryptocurrency news, Bitcoin updates, Ethereum updates, all that stuff, make sure to subscribe and absolutely turn on post notifications. With that said, this is DC Trading. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.